to make that advanced search, I'm not touching my page with the first page, right? The first page doesn't need to change. It's exactly the way you want it. But what you want is that on the second page where your record set is, I can show you here the line. Either you can do it from here or you can do it from the graphical screen, whichever you like, right? Sorry. Here, can you see this? Select star from music. Select star from music where title like %s. You will all have that in your code. You will have all of you might have that line. You will have that line in your code. Select star from music where title like something. Is that right? %s. Usually they would have %s. Is that, yeah? Yeah, order by if you've ordered your result by, otherwise the sentence would just finish there. But you know, order by is to sort, like to sort in a specific order. But if you do not have an order by, then your sentence would have finished here. Select star from music where title like %s. Does it make sense? That's where it stops. Now I can either use my graphical screen, the record set screen, to enhance that query, or you can actually just write it here yourself if you want to. Either way, both are acceptable. So here, what do you want to learn? Graphical or both? Okay. If I go here, I mean, when you are doing a graphical, you have to change a lot, and the other one is simple. Just hey, can you see that simple query? That's what your record set was, right? Title contains form variable search. That's how we've written it out. Now, as soon as I say advanced, here it says, it shows you the query, isn't it? Select star from music where title like this. Is that right? It's the same line which you saw on the code. It's the same line. It just brings it in this graphical format. Is that right? Yeah? Now, where title like column name, what we are supposed to do is go here and you can either click your table name, music, and you can click on what else do you want to add. The title is already there. I want to add artist. Click on where, type, click on where. Is that okay? So I've added and music artist and music type. Is that right? Now, first of all, this and should change to or. And should change to or. Is that okay? So what I've done is I've just gone in and clicked on the fields I want and I clicked on where. Yeah. What it will do is it will add those fields in front of it, but we will have to change all the ands to O's, and it's incomplete. Can you see here what it is? Where title like this, isn't it? But my music artist is not like anything. So what I need to do is I need to click this like and column name and copy this in front of the artist and in front of the type. So what is my statement now? Select star from music where title is like percentage column name percentage, or music artist like this, or music type like this. Is that right? Is that not visible? here. Wait. Do you see that now? Is that visible? So what have I done is select title like column name, or artist like column name, or music type column name. And that's it. That's all what you need to do. Those are what in that what will happen is the column names will change because you have got different search boxes. So first search box would be one column name, second search box would be second column name, third search box would be third column name, but the query would be more or less similar.
But when it comes up with the answers, it's going to be a number, and they're going to have to just read numbers together.
What numbers?
The various search boxes, the type of events, the day of the week, how far away it is, and each of them will produce a figure. The three figures have to be able to come up.
Yeah, we would not do that here. We will actually create one query in our database. We just leave that in our database like that, so that it is not. We try to keep the processing as low as we want. So what we could do is we can make one query which is at the database side. We run that and then trigger the query. Or we call it as joining. What you're saying is we don't need to do it here if you want. Or if we need to do it, then what we would get is we will not finish here. We will have to write on another thing to add them up and then show it to the client. Because he doesn't need to see. Yeah. No, we always have a select statement can allow you to calculate fields as well. So I'll go for that. Don't worry. When I've asked you to do that project, I'm understanding what is the potential. I know how to do it. Obviously, I just want you to do the basic pages first, and then we can combine them together. And that's the whole idea for project work. Once you've done the search box, and I think once you've done the listing, then I really want people to work on their projects, because all that PHP coding which needs, communication we are talking about, that goes down to your project. What do you want? And I think I really don't want to show any complex stuff to everybody which they don't need. I think I want to really work for a specific project. Then whosoever wants to work on specific project, that's their need. So from next week, I think we should start on the projects and then just start work completing those projects rather than me talking. I think those should be specific problems related to your project, and I really want to see those pages working together. So do you want to do this? I'm going to leave this screen on so that you can actually do it on your computer.